Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks so much for coming. If you like unboxings, we've got a ton. So I have Walmart beauty box unboxing. I got something for my birthday and a Bath and Body Works haul. So let's get into it. Let's get into it. So this is one of my favorite things, is hauls and unboxing. So I bought this Bath and Body Works online. They always get me with the coupons, right? Like you go there and then they give you more coupons. So the candles were on sale. So the highest priced was the candles, which were $9.56. And let's see. That was the heaviest thing in here. So here's one. And let's see. This is the Spice Vanilla Cupcake, $9.56. So I've never had this one. Oh my gosh, delicious. It does have like that spice, like cinnamon maybe. Let's see if it gives, it says spice vanilla frosting, fluffy angel food cake cupcake, cinnamon sugar with natural essential oils. And I like the ribbon around it. Very nice. The other one is coconut sandalwood, which I do like sandalwood. So here it is. Very pretty. I smell more sandalwood than coconut. And it is a white candle. So $9.50, not bad. Let's see, coconut palm, luxurious sandalwood, warm musk, jasmine, and essential oils. So not as coconutty as I would like, but I do like sandalwood. It gives it that manly, musky scent. And then the rest were all wallflower fragrances. So I got mahogany teak, which is a staple. So this has rich mahogany, black teakwood, dark oak, and frosted lavender. That's very manly as well, or masculine scent. Rose water and ivy. And this is soft rose petals, rain-kissed ivy, spring musk. And then another one that I always buy, sunshine lemons, yuzu, grapefruit, and sunray. And these were $2.73 each. Eucalyptus rain. This is aromatic eucalyptus, spearmint leaves, fresh spring rain. Very relaxing. Sun ripened raspberry. This is sweet berries, sheer sunlight, and sugar crystals. And one more. That is Japanese cherry blossom, which I also like to get in the spray and the bath soap. So this is pear, Japanese cherry blossom, and sandalwood. Of course, why I like it. Okay, so let's get into the Walmart beauty box. And it's a little dented, rustling around. I know they increased the price. I think it's like $7, don't quote me. So here it is, and it tells you the items. So it says we have Cetaphil right here. This says extra gentle daily scrub, full size is $7.49. Wow, that's not bad. But this is 0.33 fluid ounces. So this is, oh, a face cleanser. Okay, like that. And then I see this Suave. I haven't seen Suave in a long time. Pink, three hairs, really? 3-step hair regimen. Shampoo, conditioner are $4.98. Yeah, $4.98 each, full size. And then the smoothing cream is $4.98 full size at Walmart, of course. So you get all three of those. And then it tells you cleanse, condition, and style. And then these I've gotten before, which is such a great thing. This is like full size to me, right? Listerine Ready Tabs. Full size is $5.97. Oh, you get 24. And in this one you get 8. And they are super refreshing. So this is great to have traveling, put in your purse. And then this one is really good. Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. Full size is $14.49 for 3 ounces. And I always like sunscreen. This is SPF 50, which is great. And this has a seal on it, so nice for the purse. This one does not have a seal, so I'll get to using that. That's awesome. And lastly, it's a variety item because you could have gotten a bunch of different things. Let me see. This says Sleep Later Lip Vibe by Almay. $7.99 would be full size. Colors will vary. So I'm guessing it is this color. Sleep Later. Yes, you can see in there. It's like a goldish color. That's really cool. And then one more thing. Nail polish. Ooh, look at this. This is ready for summer. Look at that color. Where's this guy? I don't know. It's not on my list of things here. So maybe this is an extra. Essie nail polish. Okay, what color are we? Doesn't it tell you the color? I don't know. It's red. Anyway, that was a great box. I think it's $7, I think. And for $7, I like samples. So if you don't like samples, it's not for you. So let's see what I got for my Sephora mini, when I say mini, haul. Because I had to redeem my birthday. My birthday was July 3rd. So you get a free gift on your birthday, or your birthday month. And you just buy something and then you get free shipping. Use code FREESHIP. All right. I got the Sephora Favorites Hello Bag, which I do like. And then you can also redeem codes for free things at checkout. 2 samples. So let's see what's in the thing, and then I'll show you what I got for my birthday. This is a great deal, $8. So they give you the 15% off coupon codes for the things that are in here if you buy the full size. And all right, so they always give like a perfume sample. This is Libre by Yves Saint Laurent. Let's see what the notes are. I am always curious about that. Packaging on the full size is super pretty. So, oh, iconic orange blossom flower from Morocco, a luminous and sensual white flower, twisted with lavender. Ooh, that smells really clean. Okay, and then we got Caudalie. This is a nice little sample thing. Vino Pure Serum, Skin Perfecting Serum, 10 mLs. And I like that it has like the little twisty. That's very nice. And then, ooh, Laneige. I got the Laneige lip mask in my Stylevana box. So this is 5 mLs glowy makeup serum, hydrating, long lasting. Awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at the packaging on this. I mean, the details, right? It has a mini dropper. It's just so mini. It's so cute. Doesn't smell like anything, which is great. But it is very, very adorable. Adorable. Like you could just put it there and just leave it right over there somewhere. Also, very nice. Okay, so what is this? Kiehl's. I've heard of this brand. I don't think I've tried it. 0.14 fluid ounces or 4 mLs. Midnight Recovery Concentrate. Let's see their packaging. So there it is. It also has a mini dropper. It'd be nice if it was actually blue, but I think that's just the wrap. Yep. A light scent. It almost smells like lavender in there. So let's see. It's an elixir, lightweight. Let's see, squalene, botanical lipid, primrose oil, evening primrose oil. Oh, lavender. I just always pick it up because I like it so much. I can smell it from afar. So that's really cute. And I think we have 2 more. And then we have Living Proof. This is Frizz Intense Moisture Mask. Oh, ooh, a nice hair mask. That is awesome. It looks like it'll be thick. Ooh, look at this, Lancome. I love this. And it's almost full. Juicy Tubes. This is a lip gloss, of course. And it's got that old-fashioned squeezy tube. Like that. So those were our 6 samples in the Hello bag for $8. So, I mean, well worth it. All right, so here's the 2 samples that I got. The Tatcha Silk Powder. I'm sure this is like barely 1 use. That's interesting. Radiance Translucent Setting Powder. And then the other one is Sephora AHA Fruit Acids Firming. Oh, Sleep Cream. Oh, this is good. See, you put it on your face and then you just go to sleep after you cleanse it. Okay, so this is my birthday gift. And it says Sephora Beauty Insider, and it looks like there's 3 things. It's just amazing. I'll show you how cute is this. Their packaging is great, Laneige. Look at that. It's like a birthday cake, isn't it? Okay, so this is the Lip Sleeping Mask, which I already love and use. And that's great to bring on the go with you. Water Sleep Mask. Oh, wow, that sounds nice. And hydrating, no smell. Water Bank Moisture Cream. Ooh, look at that, super full. Oh my gosh. So I get to try out more of their products, which is amazing. So what did you think of my mini haul? What was your favorite thing? Do you shop at Bath & Body Works? Do you do the Sephora sale? Because honestly, it is a good deal to just get something free for your birthday, right? And who doesn't like candles? I think this was the cheapest price I've gotten them, but I don't always buy them, so I'm pretty good for now. All right, guys, that's all I have. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, join the crew, and stay tuned for more, and stay safe.